Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Windows Central has kind of released a series of little scoops on what's coming to Windows in 2024. And this is very interesting because it actually tells us that gone are the moments. Yes, remember these moments that come to Windows 11? There will be one more. It's going to be in the first half of 2024. And after that, it's over. No more moments. Microsoft, for Windows 11, will focus on once a year updates that will have tons of new features. So we went from Windows 10 wanting to have 2-3 updates a year with tons of things in it, to, of course, they couldn't do it, so they went to 2 and finally ended up with 1. And now in Windows 10, we are ending up with pretty much nothing as major updates, but we do have a few new features. And Windows 11, they had said, oh, well, we'll have one update a year, but it was actually a lie because we had moments, and moments were giving us new features every 2-3 months. So technically, we would have kind of some new features and some big updates every 3 months or so. So we had, of course, Moment 2, 3, and 4 this year. Now, Moment 5 is coming in the first half of next year, and that's going to be done. The updates are going to be only once a year. So 24H2 promises to have tons of new features. And as long as they want to add features to Windows 11, there will be only once a year updates with those new features. So big change. We see that the change in the people working at the Windows department, the change in management that is going on there is also changing everything about Windows itself. So we had, of course, the surprise yesterday of Windows 10 will have extended 3 years extension for the support, but it's going to be a paid extension. And now we're at Windows 11 getting one update a year, no more, moments. So we were kind of waiting for, what's going to be the moments next year, moment 5, 6, 7, 8. How many of them are there going to be? Well, now we actually know that the moments are gone. So that's the big scoop Windows Central has got, which means that now one update a year only with big features for Windows. What do you think about that? Do you like the fact that now it's going to be one update a year with new features and the rest of the year is going to be rather quiet? I think it's not a bad idea considering that pretty much every operating system doesn't have more than one update a year with new features or new versions. So this is kind of coming back to, I think, a good thing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.